Check out the size of my fishing companions here. Whoa, look at the size of that thing. This is my first fishing trip here in Miami, and I'm fishing at this park called Ingraham. I forgot the name of it. Ingraham something park. And I just got a bite, so I was just testing out the water. I just got a little bite, so I saw the fish taking my bait, and well, he didn't get hooked, but I think he just pulled it off the hook. Well, I'm gonna try it again, see if I can catch something now. See how it goes. All right, this is Ingraham Terrace Park. I believe that's what this is called. And this river, canal, whatever you want to call it, actually empties out to the ocean. So this should be saltwater fish that are biting right over here. We've already had a couple bites, but they've been really hard to hook. Quite small amounts on them fish. This is a new waterway for me. I've never fished here before, so I don't even know what type of fish they have out here. Water's real nice and clear. I'm not sure if this is storm runoff or what, but it empties out into the ocean, and it actually has saltwater fish going up here. Probably should be fishing with shrimp or something, but I didn't bring it. I don't know why I thought this water would be fresh water, but it's not. Oh, here we go. Ah, here we go. Whoa. I don't know what this is. Guess I gotta touch him at some point. Oh no, puffer fish. Great. The puffer fish. See, blow up like a balloon. There we go. And there he goes. I really hope that guy's not poisonous, or else I'm gonna be remembering this later. Alright. I don't know what this is, but this is kind of like that other fish I caught earlier. I'm not sure what this is. I'll look him up later. I'll write his name down. There you go. Safe back in the water. So guys,
Catch anything?
some little puffer fish and something that I don't know what it's called.
You fish here a lot?
This for first time ever.
Yeah. It's our first time ever out here. It's our first time too. It looks like a nice little fishing spot.
Well, I mean, this is all I've caught, and
Yeah.
then something that I don't know. I mean, I'm willing to guess it's like a tilapia or something.
Yeah, look. Solid puffer fish.
This little puffer fish.
That's pretty awesome. It blew up in his hand. It's blowing up now.
Yeah, I will let him go.